Hello, if you are seeing this video, that means you are studying electrical engineering in India or abroad. Even if you are in a very nice college, yet you have started to notice that the teachings are not easy to understand or the course which you are being taught is of very low difficulty level and you are curious to know deeper knowledge in the core subjects, or maybe you are going for competitive exams like GATE, IAS or ISRO. Well then, this channel could be beneficial for you. Here, we will try to make you understand each and every topic in depth so that you can become wiser in electrical engineering and could outsmart any national competition. Our goal is not only to know but also to apply these concepts. We are making sure that these further videos would be a lot more interesting and be able to feed your curiosity. In our course, we are trying to provide you learnings as per to the defined course structure as follows. We will first start with circuit analysis. Here, we will cover the basic theorems, AC and DC analysis, properties of inductor and capacitor, resonance, transients and two-port networks. Then we will go towards EMFT, where we will study coordinate geometry, electrostatics and magnetostatics. Then we will approach to machine. In this, we will study about transformers, DC machine, induction machine and synchronous machines, each having topics like construction, working, tests, starters, efficiency and many more. After this, we will come to power systems, which in colleges used to divide this subject in 2 or 3 parts. But here we will study all like faults, stability, power flow equation, parameters and modeling of transmission line, reactive power compensation and protection under a single name. Then we will approach to measurement. This topic will contain bridges and potentiometer, measurement of basic parameters, instrument transformers, digital multimeter, phase and tone measurement, CRO and error analysis. Next would be digital and microprocessors. In this, we will have combinational and sequential logic circuits, multiplexer, demultiplexer, Schmitt trigger, A to D and D to A converter, 8085 microprocessors architecture, programming and interfacing. Then we will have analog, which will have characteristics of diode, BJT, MOSFET and their applications, amplifiers, operational amplifiers and filters. After this, we will approach to power electronics. Along with the introduction to power semiconductor devices, we will study DC to DC, AC to DC and DC to AC converters. Then comes signal and systems, which includes CTS, DTS, shifting and scaling, LTI and causal systems, Fourier series, sampling theorem, convolution, Fourier Laplace and Z transforms. At last, we will study control systems, which will have mathematical modeling of systems, SFG and block diagram, transient and steady state analysis, Routh-Hurwitz and Nyquist criteria, Bode plots, root loci, stability analysis, compensators, P, PI and PID controllers, state space model, state transition matrix. So guys, here was the whole curriculum. Along with this, we will approach aptitude and reasoning and engineering mathematics so that to increase your overall technical strength. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe this channel and press bell icon so that you will get updated to next coming videos.